Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Wanrah da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsuk ka barit but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha penat kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma Balong Ru National President Jongga National People's Party Kentu ya Sorkar National Democratic Alliance Balayalam daga Bharatiya Janata Party Bahkan Wanrah biang ya Jingsuk Shongsain Kejela Manipur Kabalamat ya Jingya Snam Pdeng Gijat Benreu Kuki bat ki Meitei kat hadu bakala penlong petwir ya hajar ngut ki nongsong snong jonggane Kejela. Kani Kyrpad jongga NPP ya Sorkar Pdeng kalong hadien bau Menteri Korbari Amit Shah ulalum da jingyalang jonggi seng sain pertai boper jonggari Hanong ba New Delhi haga arpu sautarik ujeli arjar arpulai banpan jingmut kumno ban punkut no ya jingya snam haga jela Manipur.
A meeting was called today by the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji, for all the political parties to come and discuss about the prevailing situation in Manipur. In the meeting, all the political parties, including the National People's Party, has expressed concern over the situation that's prevailing in Manipur right now. And we have urged the government of India that all necessary steps which need to be taken to ensure that peace returns back to the state of Manipur must be taken. We have also urged the government of India to ensure that all the relief materials that are there, which are needed for the people, and all the other commodities, essential commodities which are required, we must make sure that the supply of these materials is done in a sufficient manner and in a smooth manner to all the locations, and more importantly to the relief camps that are there. This was also stressed by the National People's Party in the meeting today. We also stressed on the fact that we need the peace to come in, and hence there has to be a healing touch. There must be an approach where from government side, whether state or center, and from all political parties, we must reach out to every section of society in order to appeal so that we can bring them together and bring about peace in the state of Manipur. And hence we should reach out to as many of the different groups and organizations as possible, and also involve different religious groups and also take steps. A lot of religious groups have been affected, a lot of religious buildings and different religious institutions have been affected, and hence they should also be included, and we should reach out to them also to ensure that there is peace. We should also ensure that all different kind of groups, armed groups which are involved in any kind of violence, that strict action should be taken from the government of India's side to ensure that none of them can go ahead with any kind of other violent activities, and to ensure that they are brought under control. So all different kind of armed groups which are creating a different kind of situation there, they must be brought under control, and government of India must take necessary steps to do that. At the same time, it is very important for the confidence building of the people of Manipur, and hence steps should be taken by the government of India, including the visit of Honorable Prime Minister along with the Honorable Home Minister, and if possible other political leaders also, to the state of Manipur to bring the confidence to the people and also to appeal to the people that we must look towards peace and ensure that the state of Manipur is again back to normalcy. And we shared a commitment to ensure that we will all work together and work in whatever way possible to play our role and our part to bring in peace in the state of Manipur, especially keeping the overall national interest in mind.